VTEC! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Keep Reet YouTube channel and to another video with your host Jay Scott Drifts and this beautiful car behind me. So if you haven't seen, this is our EG Civic. It's our current giveaway and it's only live till Thursday. So if you do want to go in the draw for this thing, keepreet.com, jump on it. Anyway, you're going to be getting my review of the VTEC Power. This thing's got a K24 block, K20 head, all the good stuff, diffs and all the other things that Honda people do to their cars. It's got built-in vapes, it's got VTEC, semi-slick tyres. I do know it's got VTEC. It's got a full spec list on the website if you want to do that. We're going to head up the hills and do a little bit of a walk around and show you what she's really got. And it's also got VTEC. So let's jump in the car and hit the streets. Alrighty, here we are. I know this thing has VTEC. Apparently it's got launch control. It's got a Honda. Alright,
I can do that, you can't do that. There's a line you should cross, but I can.
Jai knows the most about Hondas at the company. He just knows Hondas.
I just know a little bit of Hondas.
More than anyone else. I reckon we get him to do the walk around.
See how we go.
Are you ready to feel the VTEC?
Alright, here we go.
The shifter takes a little bit to get used to, alright? We'll work on that. Alright. Third gear pull. Ready?
Yep, let's do it.
She cracks!
Yep,
You hear the VTEC?
Yep.
4.5 to 5.
Yes.
She cracked. Woo! There's a lot going on. K-series motor, gearbox, diff, sunroof.
Yep.
We got the semi-slicks.
I told you R888s.
That's the good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're about to see what they can do.
Yeah.
So what's the main difference between an EG6 and an EG5?
EG5 VTR came with a D16 single cam VTEC motor. EG6 came with a B16, which is a twin cam, and that's the one you want.
Yeah. What's better, a B series or a K series?
It's like two generations.
K series is newer.
K series is like early 2000, as B series is like at the best of the 90s, you know.
Too much going on.
Yeah, there's a lot with the VTEC too, you know.
Oh, the VTEC.
Yeah.
It's a sensory overload is what it is. You ready for the VTEC?
Yeah, let's do it. I think you're doing this whole Honda thing wrong. Bruh, you're not even hitting the limiter. What is this, 6.5? Come on, man, you got 2,000 more. What are you doing?
I'm getting cold out.
Yeah.
Shit! Hey!
That's more like it.
Bro, this thing rips. That's mad, what a vibe. Oh no, we might need to get some fuel. She's running on E85. It's basically ready for a turbo. Unfortunately, we didn't get the car soon enough to throw a turbo on it because it is something we would like to do, but it's ready for a turbo. It's got the head starts, it's got this, it's got that, it's got E85, it's got fuel pump, it's got injectors, it's tuned. It does make 170 something
176 kilowatt.
rear wheel kilowatt.
Wow.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Is this how they do it? That torque steer is real. You feel the steering wheel start to like.
Really start pulling you.
Yeah,
steering,
you feel the steering wheel do weird
I think
things.
I'm turboing it and make it too difficult to drive.
Yeah, probably.
This is probably like the good amount of power to have, like the perfect amount of torquiness.
It's quite the ultimate hills car, if I do say so myself. The last time I come up here was in a 500 kilowatt Supra, and it was a lot slower because I couldn't get traction. You can definitely drive this car.
That was weak, Jesse. That was weak.
Bro, you don't understand. Makes all the right noises. Oh, she stayed in VTEC. Did you feel it? The instant power when I shifted and got back on the gas. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. It'd be pretty awesome on a empty road or racetrack. That's the spot.
All right.
Whew.
Yeah.
We made it. Hector just came in and ordered 3 Motec exhaust systems with knobs.
No, that's wrong.
And Hector is gonna be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines.
Yeah. I don't know, I could be wrong, but anyways.
That's not a... I have no idea what these things come out with.
D16.
That's not a D16. That's an SR20.
That's definitely not a SR20.
You're up, Jai. Everyone, this is Jai.
Diversity high upkeeper Reet.
What do we got here? Give us the walk around. Do you want the spec list? Do you have the spec list?
Nah, I'll be alright.
You sure?
Yeah, I got this.
You like it?
Yeah, we love it, man.
Yeah, so it's a K24 from a Accord Euro CL9 with a K20 head, and these things came off. I'm pretty sure it's like the FD2 Type R, which we didn't get in Australia as like a Japan only thing.
I have no idea.
You have no idea what I'm talking about. Yeah. So the benefit of that is you get more top end. You get the 2.4 litre torque.
So is this the equivalent of 1.5 JZ?
Pretty much. Yeah.
Oof.
It's pretty sick.
There you go. 1J head, 2J bottom end.
6-speed gearbox came from the Euro, but with a Type R LSD, which is what you want. Large throttle body Mishimoto rad, and 1000cc injectors, so perfect for turbo. K-tune rails, the good stuff.
What's K-tune?
K-tune, that's like a Canadian thing, isn't it? Or American? Did we say how much power?
Yeah, it's like 170 something.
Yeah, it was 330 Newton meters.
Oh yeah?
I'm very salty about that number. It makes more than my car, which is annoying.
What motor's in your car, Joe?
It's a BQ35 bolt-on mods.
V6 tuned.
And it makes less power than a freaking Honda.
Do you know what these things weigh from the factory?
I'm pretty sure it's about a ton.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very cool like to see a EG5 this clean.
Yeah, I think it's had a lot of restoration work.
Yeah, fresh paint.
Suspension tyres, what are we rocking on this weapon?
BC coilovers, Toyo R888s. Yeah, 205, 1550.
Oh yeah?
Pretty sure it's got rear sway bars.
Is that what that big yellow thing is?
No, I'm pretty sure that's a brace. Most Honda Civics run these.
What is that? Is that so when people are driving behind you, they know you mean the real deal?
Yeah, yeah.
So this thing's serious, huh?
Yeah, I like it. Definitely cool. Perfect daily sleeper.
You want to give us the history of Honda?
Not really.
Good work,
You're
Joe.
up.
Did well for on the spot. What about shocks on? Let's just have a look. Holy dolly! Why is there 30 clicks?
Apparently the more clicks people think has more value.
I don't think so. I'll just check our mod list. It's in the window, sunroof, all the good stuff. It's not stock, so I'll run you through what's done to the motor. As we said before, K24 A3 block, K28 head reconditioned, new SuperTech valve stem seals, ARP studs, RBC intake manifold with cold air intake, K-tune 70mm throttle body, K28 oil pump and baffles with brand new timing chain, some 50-degree VTEC installed at the same time, K-tune swivel thermostat and housing, passport, K-swap mounts, it just says power steering.
It's got power steering.
It's got power steering.
I like that. I respect that.
Honda.
Honda.
Launch control set.
Yep.
They don't even need launch control. Thing just spins. 1000cc injector, K-tune billet shifter, exhaust things. That's the basics. Alright, anyway, you get it. Don't forget, it's only live to tomorrow. Capped on 2,000 entrants, so super good odds. You want to jump on it, it's super cheap to enter. Tickets, don't know how much it is. 30 bucks. Keepreet.com, links in the description. Jump on it. Anyway, we're gonna head back down the mountain. We'll throw Jai the keys and he can give us his experience of the Honda.
No, you're doing it right. It's Honda. That's better.
K-Series, wrong wheel drive, Civic.
Holy shit, how do you drive like this?
Sitting real close to the steering wheel. Does this thing zoom out or? This is heavy, bro.
Have you seen how big my arm is?
We gained more fuel, Joe.
I'm telling you, that's the Honda thing, man. It just makes more fuel as you go. Oh, that fourth is really short, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like,
It's not real convincing that
Yeah,
you're in. Have you driven a car with VTEC before?
yeah, but not K20 VTEC though.
Oh. Don't kill us.
That VTEC
The
is nice.
crack.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, these tires and the torque is so nice. Oh, sorry. Fucking hell. This is sick.
We're boogieing.
Alright. Yeah, this is sick. Wow. This brings back memories. This is so good. Overall experience, right?
Yeah,
The sound,
yeah.
like the speed, and the power band. It just. Woo.
You just had a clearer run on the mountain than me, that's all.
Yeah, 100%.
There was no cars and, you know, so.
But man, like that torque is just insane. Ready?
It's very linear, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, definitely out of field. It's a very nice daily as well. Like even just putting around, like
Yeah, definitely.
it's very easy to drive. Like the brakes are not too touchy, which is nice.
What a wild ride.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Snapping necks.
Yeah, it's a very balanced car, you know, like you can put all the power to the ground. Oh gee, alright, maybe not that.
Big Honda guy. Thanks for tuning in to our little review/run in the VTEC Civic. We had a bunch of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Jump on the giveaway before it ends.